Hey guys, Arijit here and welcome to this module. You can see from the desktop before I start to get deeper into what's going to happen in this video, what I'm going to teach in this video. Just look at this wallpaper. You can do anything, just get up and do it. Follow your dreams. There's no impossible word in my dictionary and it shouldn't be in your dictionary also. This means you have to take necessary action as and when I release a video. Watch that video till the end. Make sure you take action. Without taking any action, if you just keep on changing video after video and watching my videos and go to a different mentor and watch his motivational video, everything, that's not going to work. You have to focus on one mentor at a time. If I'm teaching you, focus on me. If he's or she is teaching you, focus on them. So it's not a mandate that you have to follow me, but the thing is, it's something that I'm doing outside the box, because in what I have seen in internet marketing business is that they all provide you all the necessary steps that you need to take, but they don't show you how you need to take those steps. So this is what I am doing right now. I'm showing you more so like what you need to do and how you need to do it. So it's over my shoulder training videos that I'm doing right now. So you can follow these videos and implement them with your campaigns and see whether it's working or not. Hey, at least you could tell you tried this method and it didn't work for you. If it works for you, well and good. It worked for me. It doesn't mean that it has to work for you. But thing is, if you try it out, you'll just omit one equation from the formula, right? It's nothing too complicated, guys. Don't make it complicated. So let's dive right into it. Welcome to this module, and today I'm going to talk about what you need to do in terms of email marketing sequence. If you follow these steps, I am quite sure you are going to take action as well as make results. The first thing, the first thing is the opt-in page. You can will create this opt-in page, don't worry. So people subscribe to this opt-in page, they enter their email, they enter their name, even their phone number, everything. And what happens after that? You have to know the steps that you need to implement in order to get sales using affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is not like you send traffic to a page and you make sales instantly. That thing used to happen in 2008. By the time Facebook became quite strict with their policies, Google became quite strict with their policies. So you cannot just put a affiliate link in ad campaign and hope to make sales from there. If they track you, they'll ban your ad account and you have to start all over again. So we don't want that. We want to be in a legal way to sell stuffs, because people sell stuffs online and that is not illegal. So coming back to the email marketing sequence, this is quite crucial in terms of building a brand or even having a backbone structure. Every company has a backend system, backend employees who are working for them, right? So this is quite similar to your online marketing business. This is your backend employee. In my previous video, I have talked about what tools you need to use in terms of structuring this backend system. But in this video, I'm going to talk about what necessary emails you need to send, and that's it. And in my next follow-up videos, I'm going to show you over the shoulder videos how I write my email copy, how you can do that for free, or even if you have knowledge related to writing content, it's quite good for you. So the first day we'll send an auto responder email, that's welcome email, to help them identify your brand. This is the first step. We won't send any affiliate links. We'll just send, hey, you opted in this email list, so we are having a private Facebook group, or even like subscribe to my YouTube channel, anything related to that. You'll just offer them a free service, or even if they opted in for a ebook course or anything like that, you'll send that link for that particular offer, incentive, bonus offer. So this is your welcome email. The next day we are going to follow up email. The next is based on fact one. So what you are going to provide them as a fact in terms of providing value. The third day is going to be same. You provide value, and these all are going to be in your own website. You are not going to send the traffic to a different website. You are going to send the traffic to your own website from your email list. That way you build a trust among them that this website is legit. Okay, so we'll continue this for till fifth day. Fifth day in terms of, I have omitted day 4 just because if we send constant amount of emails to them, that will make them realize that you are spamming them, so they won't purchase anything from you. So that we don't want. We want legit customers and legit business. So that's why we're going to give them time to read the email, go through the email what we are providing, and then we'll send another email. So day 5th is what we are going to target. So fact 3. Then after day 5th, we'll wait one more day and we'll send our direct sales page offers. That means in the day 7th video, day 7th email follow-up, we're going to send them to the direct sales page, give them a link and provide them, we already give them information and we'll provide them a value in terms of purchasing from our offer. So day 7th is going to be that. Day 9th, we're going to send them again the same offer, the same link, but we're going to have a different information or verbiage to promote this particular affiliate program. We're going to say, for example, in day 7 we use something like, hey, you already watched those videos in my previous email, so I was hoping that you would like this ebook. It's $30. You can purchase it and know all the secrets to any kind of affiliate program that you're promoting. If it's weight loss, then you can tell, hey, you can know more about, in order to learn more about this, how to lose weight in 2 weeks, click the link below. That's it. So day 7th is going to be that. Day 9th is relating the promotional email that you sent on the day 7. So day 9th you will send something related to day 7. For example, hey, I guess you did not click the link in my previous email, so I hope you did not miss the email, and I'm following up with you, so I'm sending this another email. If you want to learn more about how you can train your dog, how you can lose weight in two weeks, how to lose weight 2 pounds, or anything related to that, then click the link below, and that's it. So day 9th is going to be that. After that, we are giving them a certain amount of time. So this is more so like 4 to 5 days or something like that, and give them a time frame in terms of digesting the content that we are providing. So day 9, after day 9, if they did not purchase from our affiliate link, we're going to send them another email after a certain period of time and ask them, that's our last sales pitch to them. If they don't buy from that link, then that customer is not going to buy from you anyway. So this is how email sequence work. And in this process you might lose a lot of subscribers for your email. Many people might unsubscribe, and that's totally okay with it, because if people are unsubscribing from your list, that means they're not at all interested in your offer, and that becomes a problem for you, because if you sell them consistently or send them random emails every single minute, every single day, they might feel scam about this offer, and they might opt out from this. So that we don't want. We want genuine customers who are going to stick to our end till the last day. So that is why if people unsubscribe from your list, it's quite okay. It's not a problem. So this is the structure that I follow every single time I promote any kind of affiliate offers, and I hope you are going to get benefited from this email sequence module. And we are going to, in the follow-up videos, I'm going to talk about how to prepare all these modules from day 1 till day 14. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, hit me up in the comment section down below, or you can visit my website in my description and send an email directly. I'll catch up with you in the next video.